Welcome back to Basic Home Cooking. Today we're gonna get into something a little less basic, but still doable. That's right, today we're gonna be making beef bourguignon, and this recipe is based off the Julia Childs one. For the most part, it does stay true to the original with a few minor tweaks. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, well, hot dog, it looks like we did it. That is a hearty and just warm you from the inside kind of meal. There's so many different flavors going on because you got those buttered mushrooms. I definitely did catch some of the salt and pepper from searing the beef earlier on, and it just really comes together nicely. I'm really stoked how this came out. Now I know we're coming into spring, but I think there's still time left. It's not too warm to not consider doing something like this. Now this isn't the best weeknight meal because it does take a few hours, but if you got yourself some time over the weekend, give it a shot. So that being said, it does take time, but I feel like a lot of the steps are pretty manageable when you break them down. Like, it's nothing too complicated. It's all pretty straightforward. Don't forget, recipes linked in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, keep on cooking. All right, cut, print.